Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing day 4 and let's get started. Ooh, red slime. Okay. By the way, I got rid of all the ones that will take like an hour, probably more to get. So that's why there's a couple ones I'm missing. Ooh, the phosphorus. Okay. The strategy is phosphorus slimes and red slimes. Well, mainly phosphorus slimes. These guys need the nighttime ones. So we need to make the quarry. We need to add N and solar shield. Okay, do these guys have any cores? We also need to get high wall. Hopefully, I mean, fossil slimes and red slimes, we've got access to both of them. Oh, how handy. It's already oh. There was a phosphorus slime. You had to despawn. Had to. Okay, because there's also the red slime, we need to get enough to, you know, get a block collector. So then that's not a problem. Oh, behind you. Oh no. So these guys like Q-berries. So we need to get Q-berry. It should be quite easy. We should be good. Let's go red slime. Okay, so the red slimes, they only go. Whoa. The only problem with the red slimes is that they have this like radioactive circle around them, and if you stay in that for too long, then you start taking damage. And yeah, that's basically the only problem, but it takes quite a while. You'll need to have like 50 things going on. Also, I might add, we do it so there's like another wheel or ChatGPT, and it decides how many slimes we catch. Hopefully it's not like 20, because 20 would be annoying. Oh no. Oh my gosh. That slime? It's the tar slime. Okay. Get it before it's too late. No! I accidentally threw my phosphorus slime. No. Okay, then I guess we're gonna use rocks, not rocks, bad slimes in the place. I'm just gonna fill my inventory with things that aren't something I can eat, because I don't want to be sucking up some box. Why did that take so long to process? Okay. That's not big thing. Keep going. Pacha. Phosphor. Like that. I didn't pull it. Where's where to go? I wanna sell these. Actually, I might as well pick it up. Well, I have, but let that floor go. There was a floor and then it disappeared. Did it disintegrate? Oh, is that it? Good. There we go. That's right. 4 grosses too. Okay, they're gone. That's the music sticky. Oh, that was odd. Just slowly moving. What's over here? Oh, box. Nope. Okay. So we've already got both things. So that was easy. I'll add the wheel for technically for how many we get after. Because then I'll have to go back. And I couldn't find many more. We'll go with 5. 5's a pretty good amount. Well, we also need Q-berries. We'll go get them from sort of the jungle area. I'm not gonna go into the jungle area. But by the jungle there is some. Like before you go in. You might have seen them before. Ooh, Zeke. Hopefully this is the upgrades for the ranch. Okay. So we sell the puddle plot. That gives us 45. Ezekiel is starving. I'm not starving, it's hungry. So we take some of these. There. So we give some. And then we can give some. Okay. So we can chuck in. And then oh wait, we need food. That. Wait. Oh, that's one. Oh, 2. And then he will have a red plot. These 2 will have phosphor plots. And boom. Eat it. Eat it. Okay. These guys can have this first. Whoa! Is he angry? I thought he was angry. Which angry? Oh no, he's happy. Okay, I'm not sure if this is enough for us. Oh yeah, it's probably not. Oh! Yes. Okay. So now we need water. Pull them. And now we go here. And look at this star now. Still nothing? Maybe I should do the quest. And then I'll also get Dora West. I'll also get some what's it called? The Keepers this way. I really want those quantum summons because they'll be really useful. Mainly for if I get a quantum slime. Whoa, yo. Dang it, I need 2 more. Here. No, they ate them all. fatties. Okay, here we are. No! Okay, I do have a time limit on that to get the reward, but I'll be fine because I literally just started it and I'm about to go back. I just need to get a few berries. Woohoo. Okay, so now that I've got few berries, oh, this one is, don't mind if I do. Oh, just take the water. I don't know where you are, just take it. I don't want it. Okay, there we go. No. Okay, so now that I've got a few berries, now I can make a garden. And yeah, I'll have a garden for the berries and then I'll be able to feed them their favorite food. Will be good, because then I don't have to give them mint mangoes. Then I don't have to give them mint mangoes, and then I won't get enough pots. So it's a win-win. Okay, should I get a silo? Yeah, I'm gonna get a silo so I can store these plants or phase them. And then, yeah. So I'll make a garden. Put these in. Okay. Now I can sell these plorts. And that's it. Now, let me quickly just check. Oh, it gives us a button. Oh. Okay, let's see what has happened. Oh, it added like a little path. It's nice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you back on day 5. Bye.